Hello everyone, so let's learn how to change WhatsApp home screen background. This is effective for all the chats you have on your WhatsApp. What you have to do is go to the settings option and click on chat. Once you click on chat, you will get option of wallpaper. Tap on wallpaper and you will see the wallpaper that exists on the phone. You have to click on change, right? You will get option of bright, dark, solid, colors and my photos or default wallpaper. Let's try out bright wallpapers now. So I have clicked on bright and now these are the options that I can see. Vibrant and modern wallpapers kind of thing. Now let's check out the dark theme. Okay, so these are the ones we get with the dark shades, moon, etc, etc. You can choose for yourself. Now let's check out the solid colors. So all the colors, these are the solid ones. And now these are the my photos. Here I can see pictures of my gallery and I can select anyone I want, like of my picture or anything, right? So yeah, that is it. If you click on default wallpaper, then it will show that this is the default paper, so the black with the doodles, right? So I can select that also. And if I want to remove, then I have to click on the remove option, remove customize wallpaper. So yeah, that's how we do it. Very simple. You can explore the wallpaper theme, right? And that's very interesting because as per the mood you can change it, and you can also dim the wallpaper as I have shown in another video also, and here also you can also have it for specific contact or overall your WhatsApp, right? WhatsApp chats. Hello, so if you want to have for any other. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any queries, drop in the comment section. Or for new videos and ideas, you can drop in the comment section and let us know. We will be up for it. Thank you. See you. Tada.